Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trends Tech. And today we're going to be doing the Kung Fu Panda meditation app. And I'm just going to tell you guys what I think about it. So just download it from the App Store and I got it loaded up here. I got a little bit of space down here in my basement. So we'll see how this goes. We see different little, leaf petals and stuff coming in here. And we got Po from Kung Fu Panda.
Hey there, I'm Po the Dragon Warrior. Today I'll be guiding you with an inner peace meditation to help you let go of the stress of the day.
All right. Well, okay. Lifting my hands up. All right.
Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth.
I see a little tree growing back there.
Inner peace.
Inner peace. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's build that tree. And it's interesting because there really hasn't been a lot of apps where you can like do stuff with the Vision Pro and move around. But this is showing like the AR version, so you can kind of see and not really crash into stuff. But this is cool. All right, yeah, this is cool. I can get down with this. Oh. I am totally doing this wrong, but it's still fun. And I'm over here. There we go. So yeah, this is something that a lot of people can kind of just follow along with. You can do your own thing, mess around with it, but this is kind of fun. This actually beats the meditation app that's normally on here, where you just got to sit there and breathe in and breathe out. This, you can move around and make sure you have some space and everything's cool from there. So I think this is definitely where we should go with doing this. And then they have like little tips that come up on the screen to kind of guide you through it, what you're supposed to do. I think it said rooster or something. It went away too fast. I do wish you could go fully immersive. However, I do understand. Oh, wait, okay, sorry. Poe's like, come on, dude, keep up. I wish you could go fully immersive with this and switch between immersive and AR.
I can feel a kung fu chill riding up my spine. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4.
Man, that is dope. Look at all the apples, peaches, look at the flowers, and look at the trees.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That kung fu stuff is hard work, right?
Let's see how close I can get.
Back to your eternal peace.
I can get kind of close.
Skadoosh.
Can I reach it? Oh. All right, that's it. So yes, you can either do the inner peace part, or you can actually watch the trailer. Let's hit the trailer and see what. Whoa. Okay, so now we are fully immersed.
It is time to take the next step on your journey.
Okay, fully immersed. This is awesome. This is awesome, man. Like, if we could have movies and let's say they create different environments for all. Whoa. So what is this? The J Palace, I think it is. We can skip ahead because I don't want to get copyright strike or anything, but.
Oh.
That is cool. That's cool. And I demoed this before, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave out of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the app here. I like the app. I'm going to practice more at it. I think it's kind of a cool thing. So, hey, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.